also, unless you're a mathematician, the difference, it was not as impressive. It's like 10 times harder to do the 4x4, even mechanically it's 10 times harder to do the 4x4. Maths-wise, it's the same again. So the rewards for doing the 4x4 wouldn't be as good as the 3x3. I just have to be happy with the fact that I was the first robot in history that's what I set out to do. So yeah. So this, yeah.
But this is like something that we have seen your YouTube.
All right, yeah.
We have seen your YouTube. We are major fans.
All right, yeah.
Oh, you posted it on YouTube? Yeah.
Yeah. So the main video for this is on channel, Flix channel, which they arranged for the Guinness World Record attempt.
3.2 seconds.
It was 2 years ago now.
Amazing. But that has sort of color.
No, it's only recently been beaten by a number of different robots. They've laxed the rules, the robot rules have changed slightly.
By then it sends the solution to one of the masters and then it
you can turn it from the centres. The cube's never been designed to work that way.
The guy that helped this, David Builder,
you don't have to then manipulate the
software
cube can stay in
he
its
wrote his own
exact
program and algorithm. All in I think it's written in C or D.
There's lots of different ones that we might do. I just need to come up with new ways to
graphics
and
then for the
oh yeah, a lot slower, but a bit more visual, so you can actually see what's happening.
You were also involved in